It's time to revamp your bathroom into a sanctuary. In today's episode of AllHome Inspirations, we are going to show you 6 bathroom essentials that will help you do just that. Whether you're building a new home, renovating your bathroom, or just want to change, adding the right bathroom accessories will add the final touch and make your bathroom truly yours. While they are less important than tiles, vanities, bath or showers, they play a major role in completing the look and functionality of your bathroom. They also offer a quick and affordable way to change up the look. Do you know what can make even the best and most beautiful bathrooms look unkempt? Loose toilet paper rolls. This makes a toilet paper holder absolutely essential for every bathroom. Toilet paper holders are available in different styles and can add a great touch to a bathroom as well. A bathroom without a mirror just feels incomplete. So if you don't have one, I suggest you get one ASAP. Now they come in a wide variety of sizes. You can opt for a small one for magnifying, and there are also large-scale mirrors. These are usually placed above the sink or vanity. Let's say you don't have cabinets under your sink, but you do have space. Another alternative is to use a pull-out trolley just like this. They're very handy in storing your beauty supplies as well as your toilet base. And once you're done, just roll them back in. There are a ton of things that could sit in your vanity and make it look like a mess. Make sure to keep it tidy with a toothbrush holder. This holds not just your toothbrush, but your toothpaste as well, making your vanity area look neat and clean. Here's another great alternative to towel racks. How about a freestanding one? We like this as it can hold 2 towels, plus there's more storage underneath. Nothing feels as luxurious as stepping out of the shower and into a soft and plush bath mat. Not only does it give you a dry spot to land on, but it also absorbs the water and keeps you from slipping. There you have it, the 6 bathroom essentials to make sure your space is clean, organized, and beautiful. Thank you again for joining us in this episode of AllHome Inspirations. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AllHome's official YouTube channel. Also, all of these are available in AllHome shops as well as www.allhome.com.ph. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.